guys, we're about to turn on the Fairfield Road and we're going to pick up a Nelson County dispatch. Meaning there's a car that the Popo wanted us to grab and should be arriving here shortly. It says it's a abandoned vehicle, middle of the roadway. So we're gonna see what they got. I don't know where they are on this road, but they're somewhere on this road. So let's go ahead and turn those on, because I might come up on them pretty quick, honestly. So here we go. Waiting for that blue glow. Looking for them off in the distance. Looking for a blue light up in the sky. They usually flash pretty bright, so you can normally see them, even with my lights on. And I think I see them. Yep, there's a blue tint. Maybe. Maybe I'm seeing things. I think I'm seeing things. Maybe I'm not. I don't know. I'm definitely seeing things. Gotcha. Middle of the road. Oh, I see lights over there off in the distance. Either those are the farmhouse lights or those are the Popo lights.
69011 said, your order is out for delivery.
Ha, that's my pizza. I ordered Pizza Hut before I got this run. Oh, I see them. I see the 5-0. The Popo. I found some. Found some. Oh, there's a big old trucker in my way. Get on your side of the road, bro. Oh, hella get on your side of the road, bro. Just alright, let's go up here and get turned around. That's a horrible place to park your truck, because it's about to get towed. It's about to be gone. I'm about to take your truck, whoever you are. It's about to be gone. I'm about to tow it. Y'all can't do nothing about it. I hope there's keys. Please be keys. Please be keys. Please be keys. Please be keys. I'm begging you, please be the keys. I'm hoping there's keys. Please be keys. Please be keys. I'm hoping there's keys. You think they went running in the field?
Somebody called it in. Mackett's called it in. Been here for like 3 hours.
Oh, no shit.
Treasure toasted it. Yeah, we don't know who. We got all the registered owners' information on there, but we don't know nothing about what's going on with it.
You know there's keys?
No, it's locked. Locked tight, but we didn't want somebody to come through and hit it.
Just dang. Y'all can't give me nothing easy. I know that feel. Breaking into cars. Breaking into cars. Keys. No keys. Nothing. Damn. That steering wheel's unlocked. We're on a hill. Fuck, let's get hooked up before I do that. And these aren't gonna slide because I'm on grass. Y'all want to search it since I got it unlocked, or y'all don't care?
Sure.
He's like, hell yeah. Let's see what I find.
I wanted to see what was in that backpack. I guess there's a security guard at a fucking hospital, Starkville.
The one door you open, it goes off. I appreciate the horn now. God bless. I got tired of that real quick. Nope. Climb up under here. You can pop. Pop that off. Shift it into neutral. This is a how-to video on how to steal a car. Somewhere to hook to. Got something solid. Look. Ba bing, ba boom. Deuces. Grab that toe slip. Pretty sure I laid it. Fertilizer. But it is what it is. Alright, we'll see y'all when we get to the shop. That was a little tutorial on how to steal a truck. Dodge Dakota to be exact. So, yeah, we got it done.
Can I get a yee yee?